Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I'll show you how you can convert a unit of area in your scientific calculator. I'm using Casio FX991FX. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So the first thing you need to do is you need to activate the conversion table. As you can see below above the number 8, the conversion function is there. You need to activate it via pressing shift, then go to area by pressing 2. Now you can see we have acres to meter square. Just put the value and you can get the conversion value. Similarly, you can repeat for the reverse or any other conversion you need to do. Yeah, there's an example that 1 acre is equal to 4046 meters square. Yeah, that's it. That's the reverse one. Yeah, you can input the value in meters square and get the answer in acres. That's it. 100 meters square is equal to 0.0247 acres. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, do subscribe, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks again for watching.